Looking for a great deal on a low-mileage SUV? Check out this 2017 Ford Explorer XLT Sport Utility with only 70,000 miles. This local trade-in has a solid dealer service history and recent service valued at over $225, including a pre-delivery inspection and air filter replacement. Plus, it comes with current Georgia state emissions and the original books. As a dealer-certified pre-owned vehicle, it's backed by a Quality Plus warranty for 3 months or 3,000 miles, plus a 5-year maintenance plan offered at a discounted price at the time of sale. You can also ask about upgrading to our lifetime warranty option at the time of purchase. We're committed to transparency, request a recent computer scan, and our photos show multiple scans with a clean bill of health, all 8 of 8 monitors passing with no trouble codes or dash lights. We also encourage a pre-purchase inspection for added peace of mind. Please note that any price reductions or discounts will void the CPO status, including the warranty and service plan. Don't miss out. Come see this well-maintained Ford Explorer today.